As guests consider staying in hotels, their expectations for cleanliness have never been higher. Is it safe to keep a vacation on the books? What are hotels doing to keep rooms and public spaces clean? Consumer research shows that when hotels raise their cleaning protocols to include hospital disinfectants and independent audits, guests feel safer. That's where Ecolab can help. With Ecolab's nearly 100 years of cleaning and disinfecting expertise, the Ecolab Science Certified program uses science-backed products and protocols to help the lodging industry advance cleaner, safer practices in guest rooms, lobbies, bars, and other public spaces, building consumer confidence as you welcome back guests. The program is helping deliver a higher standard of cleanliness and building guest satisfaction and consumer confidence in 4 steps. Create Clean, with a suite of science-based programs, procedures, and products, including hospital disinfectants and food contact sanitizers, backed by decades of expertise helping keep hospitals clean. The program reinforces up-to-date employee training available virtually or in person, covering public health and food safety topics from employee illness policies to hand hygiene, informed by current CDC public health guidelines. Check Clean, with an independent validation performed by an Ecolab public health specialist, helping support a cleaner environment for your guests as they check in, relax in their room, and enjoy common spaces. Help guests see clean with visible signage, hygiene practices, and sanitizing stations throughout your facility. All of these steps, combined with an Ecolab Science Certified seal, seen in advertising and media campaigns, help your guests believe clean. Together, we'll help you welcome back guests to the places they love, giving them peace of mind so they can focus on enjoying their stay at their home away from home.